What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, the bike is out. And that can mean only one or two things. Either a bike ride or a bike build. Today, we are building. I've been wanting to sort out the cockpit of the Tenere for a while now. It's functional, but it's not there yet. So today, we're doing a full cockpit upgrade. 2 parts. Part 1, a GPS bracket from Carpe Iter. I'm currently running the Garmin Zumo XT, and right now it's sitting on a temporary solution that I've been tolerating way too long. It's making the GPS shake like crazy when you ride the unpaved routes. Carpe Iter bracket is the purpose built. It's clean, it's solid, and honestly, it looks right for the bike. Then part 2, a new windscreen. Dark tint, better wind protection, small change and a big difference visually. It's the kind of thing that ties the whole cockpit together. So let's get into it. Alright, done. This is what I wanted. The Carpe Iter bracket is exactly what I wanted. It's solid, it's clean, no nonsense. And the Garmin system sits exactly where I want it. But the long-term goal is the Carpe Iter full navigation system. But that's for when the time is right. For now, the bracket is the first step into that direction. And last but not least, the windscreen. It pulls the whole cockpit together visually. This bike is being more ready for the upcoming adventures. And with the Tenere Travel Trophy coming up this June, riding through the Balkans for 1 week, I cannot wait on that one. This is a great improvement. That's it for today. Full cockpit upgrade, GPS bracket from Carpe Iter, windscreen, done. If you want to check out Carpe Iter stuff, the link is down in the description. It's worth a look if you're building your own adventure setup. If you're new here, this is Moto Groos. Adventure, building, story, the road to Tenere Travel Trophy starts here. Subscribe if you want to follow along, and I see you in the next one. Peace.